Alright, welcome to the channel. My name is Gym Leader Gab, and today I've got 10 tins. But the thing is I'm actually going to give away 2 of these tins, so I'm only opening 8. To be a part of the giveaway, you first have to like, comment, and subscribe with all notifications on. And the way that I'm going to give away the 2 Pokeball tins is when I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to pick one winner. And then when I hit 1,000, I'm going to pick one other winner. These sets of 5 tins were actually from Costco. And they were bought for $45 each pack of 5 for Canadian. So 45 Canadian. Each one of these tins contains 1 Evolving Skies, 1 Fusion Strike, and 1 Chilling Rain. We'll see what we get. So let's start with some Fusion Strike. Onyx, Jigglypuff, Durant, Darmination, oh my gosh, and a Blissey non-holo. I honestly get a lot of good luck with Fusion Strike. I know some people don't. But for some reason I do. So I like this set. Non-holo Claydol. Oh no. Of course. White border. Here's your code card. Just go through this one quick. A Corsola reverse holo. I have opened these before. As you can see in the background, I've got more tins. And honestly, it's hit or miss. I've had some really good hits and I've had some really bad stuff. So it really depends. Honestly, luck of the draw, especially with the Evolving Skies reprint. But let's see if we can get a big hit. We've got 4 packs left of Fusion Strike before we get into Chilling Rain. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, black code card. We've got something. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy, Stantler, Glisser, Centiscorch, Clamperl, Morpeko, Skarmory, Shelmet, Plusle, Trevenant Reverse Holo, and a Boltund V. That's not bad. I'll take it. Honestly, I'll take it. It's first hit. I keep spoiling it with all these code cards. Let's just go through. Jigglypuff reverse. Any Crabominable V. I'll take it again, honestly. I know some people don't care much about Vs, but I'm kind of getting back into Pokemon cards. I used to be into it when I was younger, so this is honestly, I like them. What am I doing? I'm throwing the cards around. Code card. Any Toxtricity holo. Corsola, Quillfish, Vulpix, Chansey, Zigzagoon, Deoxys reverse, and a Vikavolt rare. Jeez, can hardly read right now for some reason. So let's go. Let's get into Chilling Rain. Another set. This is kind of one of the sets that when I first started coming back into Pokemon cards, this is what had just released or something like that. But this is one of the ones that I got into. So green code card, unfortunately, means that we got nothing. Let's go through reverse Dugtrio and a Bennett rare. Let's see if we can get some cool hits. Let's see if we can get some alt arts somehow. That'd be beautiful. Code card. Hopefully you guys are getting something out of the gold cards. Okay. We got a Slowking VMAX. That's awesome. I love the texture on these cards. It's really cool. So far, not a bad opening. Nothing too crazy. Nothing actually crazy, but we're getting hits nonetheless. We're not even halfway through. Let's see if we can get some more good luck out of these. Oh, never mind. I guess I just jinxed myself because we got a green code card. So let's just go through here. A Ladybug reverse, any Abomasnow rare, non-holo. Why do I keep doing this to myself? Why? Okay. Let's go through because I know already there's nothing. A Karen's Conviction reverse holo, and a Goldark rare, non-holo. 4 more left of Chilling Rain. Code card. We got a Welcoming Lantern reverse and a Cresselia holo. Maybe we can get some crazy hits out of Evolving Skies. Oh my gosh. I keep talking about how I keep doing it to myself and I just keep doing it. You'd think I'd learned my lesson, but no. A Swirlix reverse and a Seviper rare, non-holo. Okay, I know I did it again, but this time it's good news because we got a good code card. Love me some green and white code cards. Cast Form, Quillfish, Ralts, Heracross, Ghastly, any Urshifu holo. The last pack of Chilling Rain. Code card. Rolipede, Cybold, Venipede, Bounsweet, Weedle, Farfetch'd, Cast Form, Abomasnow, any Articuno V. Okay. I'll take it. Again. Now, let's get into our first pack of Evolving Skies. I was going to do the card trick, but there's no point. There's literally no point. Any Victini reverse holo and a Lilligant rare non-holo. Bulk is pretty big over here compared to our hits here. Here's your code card. Oh, did I see a shine? I don't know. We'll see. Eevee, Cutiefly, Hitmonchan, Lotad, Sableye, Fletchinder. That's the one I saw. Any Tropius rare non-holo. Okay. It's okay. It ain't over. It's okay. We can do this. We can do it. Oh, I saw something. I saw something shiny. I saw some shine. Let's do the pack trick on this one. All right. Energy, Crustle. Okay. Moon and Sun Badge, Toy Catcher. Ooh. Hippopotas, Time Pole, Litleo, Eevee, Cutiefly, Sableye, any Copycat? Full art. Awesome. That's woo. Okay. That is our first hit of the day. Like actual hit. A full art. That is awesome. Alright. Let's keep going with Evolving Skies. See if we can get more hits. Because that, so far, is the best hit of this opening. And again, please leave a like, comment, subscribe for some more content like this if you're enjoying yourself. Why, Smeargle? Why you gotta stick your tongue out at me like that? Whatever. And here's a damn code card. Eevee, Time Pull, Cutie Fly, Applin, Sableye, and Gossifleur. Any Shiftry, non-holo rare. We're down to our last 3 packs of Evolving Skies. Don't forget to win one of these 2 tins. You have to leave a like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. When I reach 500 subscribers, I'm going to announce one winner. And when I hit 1,000, I'm going to announce the other winner. Do not miss out your chance on winning one of these tins, because with Evolving Skies, you never know what kind of crazy hits you can get. There's so much you can get. Here's your code card. Pikachu, Seedot, Lillipup, Bagon, Litleo, Avalugg, and a Tropius non-holo once again. Okay. Why you gotta do me like that, Tropius? Come on, Tropius. But here, have it again. Have another one, just because I don't want it. Honestly. Time Pull, Litleo, Eevee, Cutie Fly, Hitmonchan, Mareep Reverse Holo, and a Jigglypuff. I almost said Goliath. Let's see if we can get a Goliath of a card in this one. Oh god, please kill me. As I say that, oh, almost didn't share it. Here's your code card. Let's do a pack trick on our last pack of Evolving Skies. And then I'll do a quick recap of what we've got over here, on what we got today. Alright, we got a Fighter Energy, Toy Catcher, Rayhan, Vigoroth, Lotad, Teddy Ursa, Cryogonal, Naked, Dweeble, Cutie Fly, and a Arctovich V. Okay, again, I'll take it. Honestly, it's better than getting nothing. Let's do a quick recap. So we got, again, Urshifu Holo, Cresselia Holo. We got the Slowking VMAX. Honestly, second best pull of the night. Toxtricity Holo. Crabominable V. We got a Bolton V. Honestly, I love this card. I just love the way it looks. I don't know. Bolton's pretty badass. We got Arctovich, and then we got, I guess, Articuno. Jeez, fumbling my words here. Articuno V, and we got our Copycat, which is our full art hit. Thank you so much for watching. And, yeah, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. This is one of my first videos, so thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.